Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this beautiful 1968 Pontiac GTO, believed to be numbers matching, 400 cubic inch motor, 4-speed buckets, console, and gauges. This car has been repainted one time to its original color with PHS documentation, bill of sale, and I will go over that stuff with you guys. So I'm going to shut my mouth and just walk around the car and show you guys. This is something I would replace on the car. Some of it's even missing. But you can get that weather stripping for both sides for about 80 bucks. Let me show you the door lips here. They did do the weather stripping on the doors. Inner outer jambs are excellent. Okay, let's go check out the other side. Listen to how this door closes. Wow. Perfect. No rattling. Beautiful paint. I rate this paint 8 out of 10. Why not a 10? Well, it's not a $30,000 paint job. It's a $10,000 paint job. And it looks nice, very presentable. Beautiful body. 68 GTO. It's got the window vents here. They call air conditioning. Show you guys dark blue interior. Mostly original. 4-speed Hurst shifter. Excellent dash gauges. Gauges are showing 72,000 miles, believed to be original. Let me pop the engine for you guys, check that out. Here it is, 400 cubic inch motor. As you can see, stock manifolds, stock color on the block, and aluminum the intake, not aluminum. Factory air conditioned car. No overheating issues. Hoses have been gone through. Battery cutoff. Power steering. Power disc brakes there. Fully loaded. Yes, the headlights in the front do function. They do open. Grab the keys. I would like to pop the trunk for you guys and check that out. Look how clean the trunk is. Weather stripping has all been replaced in there. Looks excellent. I believe that these quarters are brand new, or newer, replacement should I say. They did a nice job, very straight, body lines. Excellent trunk. You guys want to hear it? All right. Don't all say yeah at once. I didn't even have to hit the gas pedal. It's tuned. Not sure why that stays on. So I got the original copy of the bill of sale. Brand new, $4,300. It's all there, guys. Yep. Sounds pretty good. Wipers do work. Heat and defrost do work. FM AM radio, yep, turns on. You can barely hear things. Sounds great. Hold on 1 second here. Show you the lights that opened. Okay, so the reason, now that I thought of it, the reason that this stays green is because the right front bulb is burnt out. So we're gonna have to replace that, okay? Let's see. Let's check out the horn. I don't see. The horn is inoperable. Okay. So that's all. That's all that's really inoperable. Even got the dome light working. There you have it, folks. An original '68 Pontiac GTO. 72,000 believed to be original miles, guys. Oh, and that center dash, this here, I laid the original one on top. That's a replacement. The guy tried to paint it or whatever, but here's the original to rewrap. So I just kind of left it there for you guys. Real 242 GTO. Here's some original paperwork that came. Car was in Florida for many, many years. You got your owner's manual and your PHS documentation here, guys, and we're jamming 1968 stuff. So a few things about MGM classic cars. We've been in the entire business for 25 years, going on to 25 years. Started doing this in 1999. 2000 time. So throughout my career, I collected over 200 hand-picked cars that I have in my buildings. I got 2 buildings full of cars like this. And you can check out all those cars for sale at mgmclassiccars.com. They're all available for sale. We do offer financing. If your credit score is a little bit over 650, we have some options for you guys. You will need about 10% down at a minimum down payment. And the rest can be financed. Your taxes can be financed through there, your delivery, all that stuff can be financed. If you wanted any improvements to the vehicles, we do have a service department at MGM. We can roll that in too. So keep that in mind if you wanted to customize something. Okay. For delivery, well, here, let me backtrack a little bit on the financing. For those of you who have a credit score of over 800, I have a no money down option. You would have to ask me, text me, and I can get you the proper information for that. Rates start at about 6.94%, and the term of the loan is designed and tailored around your income and your debt. So we can make sure you can afford the car. You're not stretched out and stressing out over it, okay? So we can work with you there. For delivery, text me your phone number at area code 847-848-1850. You can text me there, your zip code, and I will send you a quote to have this thing delivered right to your driveway, okay? All of our deliveries are licensed, insured, and bonded right to your driveway there. And there you have it, folks. If you have any questions, send me an email. If you're a serious buyer, please get in touch with us right away. These cars do not last that long. Thank you for watching MGMClassicCars.com.